Hi there, it's Phil from parkerlings.com. I hope this finds you well today. Now today we welcome you into our kitchen again for shepherd's pie with a difference. Now I hear you ask, what is the difference? That is, it's not lamb mince, it is haggis. Now yes, I know that's going to sound strange and potentially sound a little scary to some people, but there's nothing to be scared of. It's absolutely lovely. And I'll put down at the bottom of the screen here exactly what haggis is, or at least in this situation what this company that I use has. Now, the company uses McSween's. They are not any affiliation with me whatsoever, just the fact I love it. Now, they do have the meat version with the lamb and beef. They also have a vegan option and a gluten-free option as well, so there's no excuses for not making it. Now, very, very simple. Take you around about an hour, 20 minutes roughly, including the preparation. So, really simple, and I know you're going to love it. So, don't just say, no, I'm not going to. Please do try it. You'll love it. So here we go. Let's get the ingredients. The ingredients are petit pois, or garden peas, mushrooms, carrots, gravy, potatoes, onions, and cheddar cheese, and of course, haggis. The first step is to peel and chop the vegetables. So here's the haggis. Well, I'll get this opened up. So we'll just pull this apart. All we're literally doing is just rubbing it in our hands, and that all comes apart there. Just grab a piece of the haggis and run it through your fingers. It's almost like putting your fingers through compost. So I'll just get the other half, do the same. Now that's all mixed up, put in the onions, carrots, mushrooms and peas. Now we're going to get our hands in here and just pull it around. Make sure everything is mixed up. This is the fun bit. As you can see, that's coming together quite nicely. Got a good extra ingredients there. We've got a carrot, we've got our onion in there, we've got our peas, and we have the mushrooms. So it's looking very nice. And the gravy, just pour this all the way around. Nice and thick gravy. Now we get our wooden spoon here, just stir it around. The colours actually shine through more than they did before. They'll form a kind of paste almost. And while I've been doing this, I've got the potatoes boiled, so they're soft, and we'll make ourselves some of the mashed potato. I'm going to spoon the mixture into the tray. Now we smooth this all out. It's one big layer. Now for the mash. Here's the mash, nice and smooth, creamy, with the garlic, some mixed herbs in there, butter and milk. Don't have to worry about it being completely even, it will settle out when it's in the oven. Now we get a fork, just mark some lines across here. Now we get the cheese, just sprinkle that on top. Don't worry if you're being messy. And the final touch with this, some smoked paprika. This is Spanish smoked paprika, which I got from market in London. You don't want too much because otherwise it'll just be overpowering. So just do it from fairly high up, so that way you won't get big clumps of it everywhere. There. That'll do. The Haggis Shepherds Pie is now ready for the oven. We're going to put it in at 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit, and once that's done we'll take it out, and you should find that all around the edges here it's all bubbling up through the juices of the gravy and the cheese as well, along with the haggis. Everything's bubbling up nicely and you get a lovely aroma. So I'll get it cooked then, and then I'll show you the results. Well, there you go. That's Haggis Shepherd's Pie. I do hope you like the look of it and you will try it yourself. You'll see at the bottom of the screen there is a link to the recipe sheet which you can download and print, and I think you will like this hopefully as much as me. It is a definite favourite for us here at home and at church as well for our potluck dinners. So yeah, we can't all be wrong, can we? So I do hope you try it. I do hope you have a very good day, and God bless. Bye bye.